Okay guys, I'm a little bit obsessed with bananas lately, so I would buy a bunch and keep them at home. But sometimes I'm left with overripe bananas that's almost going bad. I despise throwing away food, so I look in the internet on what to do with overripe bananas, and everyone suggesting to bake banana bread. Interesting, since I never bake one, but I only have one egg at the moment. Will that be suffice to make a banana bread? Let's find out. For this recipe, I'm using 4 medium-sized bananas, about 300 grams, that's 10 ounce for my American friend. Now peel and mash them using a fork or potato masher. For this video, I use barangan banana since it's only 65 cents for 10 hands of bananas. Go ahead and mash them real good until it looks like baby food. Once it's done, set it aside while we prep the batter. Now get an egg and add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can skip it out, but I use it since my daughter is a big fan of vanilla flavor. Using high speed, you want to mix it until it looks pale. When you see the color changing and it looks pale enough, add the sugar. Now add 80 grams of white sugar and 80 grams of brown sugar. That's 3 ounce each. Just mix it again until the sugar is well incorporated. Once it's done, add in the mashed bananas and the dry ingredients. Let's sieve 200 grams of all-purpose flour, that's about 1½ cup. Add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. The cinnamon powder is optional. If you don't like it, just opt it out. But I think it's so much better with it. It's like you can never go wrong with banana and cinnamon. It's just a great combo. Next, add the oil to the bowl. Any neutral oil is fine. After that, you want to mix using low speed just until everything is mixed in. If you still have flour at the edge of the bowl, you can just scrape it using a scraper. Since the prep time is going to be quick, do preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I have prepared my loaf pan and it's been buttered and floured. I also put parchment paper just to make my life easier when I take out the banana bread. We're gonna bake this for 50 to 60 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Just adjust it to your oven because sometimes they're different. Then add in your desired toppings. I'm using sliced almond here, but you can also sprinkle some chocolate chips or other nuts. Oh my god, I love this. When I bake it, my house smells so good, especially from the cinnamon that we put in. Also, the top of the cake has this crunchy hard layer which I like, yet the inside is moist. Not to mention the sliced almond add extra crunch on top. If you like a cake that's filling, you're gonna love this. 1 or 2 slices will definitely satisfy your hunger. So give it a try and make this for breakfast or give it to someone as a gift. They're going to love this. Plus, it's so easy to make. So how about it? 1 egg is actually enough to make a banana bread that is sweet and moist. I would rate this 9 for taste and simpleness to cook.